What is she doing? Why is she getting out? She's getting out of the car, and she's going to foot by foot. What is she doing? I'm Sam Diggs. I'm here with the Shults 14 to talk to you about the Active Park Assist 2.0. Just like the video, if this woman would have had a Ford and had the Active Park Assist 2.0 installed on it, I don't think she would be having as many problems. Besides the fact, the Active Park Assist 2.0 is by far one of those features that Ford has put into the car that honestly, if I had my car, I'd be using all the time. Ford knew that parking into tight spaces or parking into very weird spaces, or honestly just parking in parallel parking spaces is difficult, and it can be difficult, especially when it's super tight or super narrow. So Ford's got your back once again, and they're going to be able to help you get in and out of a parking space. So really, to activate this feature down on your console, it looks like a little steering wheel. You click that, and on the display it goes through instructions on how to go through and activate it. It's super simple. There are a couple at the bottom. One is parallel parking to park in the spot. One is a regular parking spot, one you would see in a regular lot. And then the other one is to get out of a parallel parking spot. Because obviously if you backed into a regular spot, all you have to do is just pull out. Anyway, so let's say you want to get into a regular parallel parking spot. You just click the button, click your option, it goes through and sees where it's at with all of the sensors around the car, and then you just hold that down while it does all the steering, and then you just do gas and brake. Super simple. And it tells you if you're getting close to anything. It's got sensors on it, and just like on your display when you are backing up, and it's telling you how close you are to an object, it does the same thing. It lets you know how close you are to a car in front of you or a car behind you, and how nice is that? So then at that point you just control the gas and brake, and it puts you right into that spot. Super, super nice. Living in a city and constantly have to worry about parallel parking, this is one of those ones that honestly I would want to have in my car. I mean, I am not the greatest parallel parker or parker in general. So if I had this in my car, I'd be using it all the time. And again, it does allow you to get out of that space. So if there is a car or truck that parked in front or behind you that is very, very close, or you just kind of, parked a little too close to another car, it will allow you to get out. Again, activating it the same way. Click the button, you click the option now to get out of the parking spot, and then it does all the steering for you. You work gas and brake. Again, you just put it in neutral and boom, away you go. Super, super simple. I mean, honestly, this is one of the best features that could be in any car. And then the other one is just pulling into a regular spot that you would see at a regular parking lot. You just pull right up to it, you click the button, you click the option of pulling into the regular parking spot, you hold it down, you push gas and brake, and it does all the steering for you. Again, super, super nice. You don't have to worry about parking in crazy spots. And the nice thing about using that in a parking lot is the aisle that's the opposite side of you. Usually there are vehicles that are a little bit longer that extend out that you can't park into that parking space. So necessarily you can go through, use that option to then get you into that spot. Obviously getting it out is just pulling out if you can't pull forward. We'll save that. Ford has your back with the Active Park Assist 2.0 to be able to get you in and out of those really tight parking spaces that are parallel, as well as the regular parking lot as well. So if you are looking to have a great feature in your car, I would advise to get this one in your vehicle now. So if you're looking to get the Active Park Assist 2.0 installed in your car, come to any of the 3 locations that Shults Ford owns, which is Wexford, Harmarville, and West Mifflin, Go through and order your vehicle and make sure you have the Active Park Assist 2.0 installed. Take care.